What's going on, guys? It's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery and author of Diamonds in the Sky, the Raleigh Llama back there. Raleigh gagging along. Also, I am just slip sliding everywhere today because I, for some reason, was like, I probably don't need my yak tracks today. They're actually snow tracks. They're some other brand from Costco. And it was a mistake, but I've gone too far. Today's message brought to you by something that I find a lot of salespeople struggle with. And it's a mindset thing. And it's they feel bad about what they're selling. Okay, so this is going to be in the context of roofs right now because most of you are watching for Roof Sales Mastery. And in the context of roofs, think about it like this. Most people can probably wrap their mind around the fact that if somebody's house got damaged by hail, it's a good thing to help them replace it. It's money on their home, their most valuable asset, okay? Their roof, which protects everything underneath it, okay? Including all their valuables and their family and keeps them dry and warm and all that stuff. They can get their mind around that. But then they might feel bad about the deductible. Maybe the deductible's $1,000. And I get it. Nobody wants to spend a surprise $1,000 on anything that's not jewelry or a trip to Cancun or something like that, okay? A new puppy, I don't know. But when it comes to feeling bad about asking for things, asking for the sale, like let's say you're talking about upgrades. You want to upgrade somebody to an IR, an impact resistant shingle, or you want to like give them new windows because their windows are 20 years old and like it's ruining the energy efficiency of their house. Don't feel bad asking for that sale. Newsflash, guys. People love to buy shit. Welcome to America. Give them something. Sell them something to buy. They don't have to say yes. Okay? And by the way, as somebody who is a homeowner myself, something happens when you tip past like 27, 28, and you're more of an adult, okay? You get stoked to spend money on your home. I just rearranged my office, updated my office, I got new furniture, and I was like peeing in my pants about it. I could not wait for the delivery truck to come with my new sofa. Okay, I'm like picking up paint colors right now, and it's probably gonna cost me several $1,000s to paint. I've got my whole basement. It's like 1,700 square feet or something. It's ridiculous. And I wanna paint it, and it's gonna cost me a lot of money. I can't wait to stroke that check because I love updating my home. And I love making my home a beautiful place to live. So, if you're finding yourself in the mindset of this weird guilt or like feeling bad about asking people to buy something, don't. It's like you're believing that they don't care enough about the place that they live or their lifestyle enough to spend that money. And they do. And if you don't believe that, look at all the things in their house. Big TVs, expensive furniture, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, four-wheeler in the garage, brand new Ford F-250, hot tub out back, okay? People spend money. So anyway, this out of breath message brought to you by maybe change your thinking and you'll change the way that you present and you'll change your results. And I hope that helps some of you get over a little hurdle. Shift your perspective into, you're not forcing somebody to give you money they don't want to give you. You're helping them with something and you're giving them something that they might ultimately actually really want to upgrade their home and make it a better place. And the thing is, when you truly and firmly believe as the salesperson that what you're offering your customers is going to be an improvement upon their current situation, you don't have any problem selling that stuff. So that's the other thing, belief. If you don't fully believe in what you're doing, you're gonna have a really hard time selling it. And by the way, if you can't wrap your head around the thing that you're selling, you probably are in the wrong business. Go sell something else that you do believe in. CBD, pies, organic dog treats, whatever it is, okay? Medical supplies, whatever. As always, you guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel. The snow's really killing me right now. I'm just like, yeah. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can visit the website, roofsalesmastery.com. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.